Papatai Telelaba, and thank you for joining. This is going to be a very short lesson on negative noun phrases. So recall that a noun phrase is going to be a phrase about a noun. And the noun phrase itself is giving you specifics about the noun to give you more information. So, for example, right here we have a teacher. You can say that this is a good teacher. O se faya ongalele. O se faya ongalele. How do you say that this is not a good teacher? To negate anything in Samoan, you're going to say le. Le. So le, once you see that, everything inside of the noun phrase is going to be not. So the le is also accompanied by a tense marker. We haven't talked about that yet, but e is going to go before le. So ele o se faya ongalele. Ele o se faya ongalele. But there's also a natural contraction when you're talking about noun phrases and negative noun phrases. So instead of ele o se faya ongalele, there's a small difference here. You're going to say eleo se faya ongalele. Eleo se faya ongalele. You can also switch around your sentences and use eleo. It can go in the front or it can go in the middle. You just have to be able to rearrange your noun phrases. So right here we have, that is not a new car. So eleo se tavale fo le na. Eleo se tavale fo le na. This car is not a new car. O le ne tavale. Eleo se tavale fo. O le ne tavale. Eleo se tavale fo. And then not a new car is this car. Eleo se tavale fo. O le tavale. Eleo se tavale fo. O le tavale.